We're about to head in. So excited. I cannot wait. I've been waiting for a while to come up here when the nature center was open. It just opened this month, but we've had a lot of rain, so today is our nice sunny day and we're about to go check it out. So y'all come with me. Let's go. Actually, it looks like there might be a school group today, but all I want to do is check out up here. Hopefully they have maps. Oh, it looks like the nature center's closed, which sucks. It said online they were open. It'll be okay as long as I can find a map. That's what I really want. I did bring my GoPro, so I'll probably be taking some footage on that as well. Here is the nature center. Looks like it is open. There's restrooms inside. And this is what I'm looking for, a map, hopefully. Looks like there is quite a bit of information. Here is where we're at right now, so I'm hoping this has the map. Well, it does look like this has the map in it, guys. And hopefully those are the trails. So we got a bunch of information from the ranger in there. He did say that this is the map that we need the most. It's like actually 30 miles of trails, but there is one we could do today that's only 3 miles. So that's what we're about to map. I just wanted to turn you around. Little Eagle Scout projects along the way. He said that this trail I'm about to do is pretty, like, there's a big hill and it's a pretty good workout. Their school buses are finally leaving. So I'm gonna go put these other pamphlets in my car, take the map with us. I also downloaded the All Trails map because he said that trail is on there. So stay tuned. Here's where the trailhead begins. You can see how fast the creek is running. We are on the Flint River Trail. All the animals. Let's see how fast it's flowing today. It's real dirty looking because we had so much rain up here lately. This is actually in Iowa, not Illinois. Iowa has had torrential rains and flooding. Illinois has been dry, but we just recently have been getting rain, so you can see how much of a difference, how high the water is here in Iowa compared to Illinois. So let's go. We are going to see if we can find any wildlife. I know there's birds for a fact because I've been hearing them ever since. But there's supposed to be a lot of frogs and salamanders too, so. Alright, so as you can tell, the blue trail marker is here, which is the cement, and it circles back around to the nature center. I'm gonna go this way. This path here is more of a foot trail. This way is more of like the walking slash biking, cycling trail. But he said if you go onto the gravel trail, it's more of, you know, like a hike and just only foot only. So we're gonna go this way, of course. Wow, look at the side of that mountain over there. You can see it. Hopefully it opens up so that we can see the mountain a little more, a little closer. There's a lot of sycamore trees out here. Look at the side of that mountain. Wow. There are a lot of arrowheads and things out here that people have found. Of course, since it is a preserve, you're not allowed to take anything with you. And also mushroom hunters. Oh, there's the bridge there. It does look like this leads to the cave. The bridge here does. Give you a view. This bridge is, wow. And I think we're going to be able to get a picture. Yeah, of the side of the mountain. Check that out. Glacial boulder. Check out the view. Wow. So we've reached the cave. This is Flint Creek, which you're standing on here. See the side, the rocks, side of the cave here. And it tells you, obviously, they do have this cave closed because of the sick bats and stuff. But you can still walk right up to it. And you can feel the air coming through here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. I can hear it dripping. I do not see any bats in the entrance right here. I'm sure they're deeper. See little cave spiders. No, thank you. I do not like cave spiders, okay? And that's just a little guy. Have you seen the size of some of these cave spiders? Oh. Alright, so let's continue on the trail. We've seen the cave now. I just wanted to show everything is. You can see the sides here, just like dripping down. Continuing on our way back to our path. We're gonna hit the gravel path, and I just want you to see how much of an incline we're about to go along here. You see across the way? Yeah, that path right there. That's the workout he was talking about. Mama didn't raise no sissy. So we're doing this. Up the gravel path we go. Nice breeze. Got pretty good incline here. Pretty good view of the bridge. No problem. And guess what? I forgot to pause my app when we were over there at the cave. So yeah, that probably added about 5 or 10 minutes. Oh well. I'll figure out this app sooner or later, and I'll remember to hit pause. Coming up on a little sign here. White oak. On the other side. Yep. Let's keep on. As you can tell, I don't tape the entire walk. I just do little snippets because that would be super boring. But if I come across anything really cool, I'll flip the camera back on, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, I ain't gonna lie, still going uphill. This is a little bit... This is cardio for today, okay? Little worm. Blowing. Yeah, this is my cardio for today. Still going uphill. Yeah, y'all know what that is. That's a huge colony. Huge. Anyways, I did turn this on because I was going to show you there's so many acorns on the ground. On this trail, all over the gravel, there's acorns like everywhere. I'm going to find a whole one to show y'all. We've come to a fork in the road once again. Guess what? We're going left because it looks a little drier. I don't want to be playing in any mud just yet. Nice and wide open though, even though this is the foot trail. Still well kept, especially for all the rain. Haven't seen any wildlife yet. Or surprisingly, any frogs. I already know somebody's going to comment about my flip-flops again. Listen, y'all should know me by now. I would rather be barefoot, but I can't. So I had to have something on my feet. My feet are claustrophobic. I don't like socks. I'm from Florida. We wear slides and flips. Okay? You can take me out of Florida, but you ain't taking the Florida out of me. So, this is how it goes. And anytime there's creeks around, you don't have to slide your shoes off anyway. And you don't want wet socks. Who likes wet socks? Not me. So go somewhere else with them comments about my flip-flops. I don't see you hiking it. So hush. Ooh, next to us there's a nice farm, a nice field here. Let's just take a poll. If y'all believe in Bigfoot, which I do. I'm gonna find him and I'm gonna get him on video one of these days. Just for all you non-believers out there. He has been spotted quite a lot in my area of Tennessee and Kentucky back home, but have also seen that there have been sightings up here in these woods in Iowa. So keep your eyes peeled, that's all I'm saying. Anything behind me, let me know. If I hear any kind of knocking, you guys already know. There is a hiking trail that way, but we're going to keep on going this way, up and around. Get some more cardio here. By the way, if y'all have to pee on these trails, at least the ones out here at Starr's Cave, you better just get ready to pop a squat, because there ain't no restrooms out here like there was at Argyle Lake. No sir. I have to learn how to pop a squat right here. Make like a bear. That's another reason why you should always bring some paper with you and a little bag, because you don't want to litter at no preserve. Y'all know. Oh, I really messed up my timing again on this app. I stopped so many times and forgot to hit pause. That's the only thing you have to get used to, is like hitting that pause button, or else your time's going to be all off, because I've stopped multiple times again on this trip. But it's okay. I mean, I'm not going for a triathlon or anything here. I'm not training. I'm just hiking. It's a big drop off over there. And we are actually at 1.3 miles right now. So I think that's probably about perfect. We probably did turn around at the right spot, because this is a loop right here, the trail that we're on now. It just loops back around to the gravel Flint River Trail that we were just on. So that would be about perfect, because I was looking to do about 3 miles today. It might be just shy of 3 miles, but you know, we'll come out and do a longer trail next time when I have more time. Look at this little guy. Ew. I didn't expect it to be squishy. That's why I dropped it. I thought it was going to be hard. I don't know. Not sure what that was. Came to the wooden platform over a little creek here. It's really dry. Yeah, there ain't no water running right now through there. Listen to the wind, guys. Now check out these huge seed pods all over the ground out here. So we made it. It looks like, oh, real quick. Here's a whole one. What is this thing? Ew, and it's like squishy. It's not hard. Bro, I wonder if I can take this with me. I know you're not supposed to, so I guess I won't, but what is that? It's squishy. I want to open it. Alright, I'm opening it. Get my knife real quick. There's nothing in it. It's like the other one. It's just... what the heck? There's nothing in it, you guys. Look. can't get it to focus. Ew, look at the inside. Whoa, look at the inside of that, y'all. Can you see it? I'm trying to get it to focus. Ew. It's like veiny. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what that is. It's another little platform bridge we're about to cross. This one had some bounce to it. That one felt a little like a trampoline. Well, that was fun. Alright, I'm gonna feel real stupid if I should know what these little things are, but... What are these? I know I should probably know what that is, but I don't. It's a little tiny one of the one we just opened. But that looks like... That's what it grows on like that. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I ain't no botanist. I do love plants though, and I love to grow them, and I love to have them inside. And I love to make a garden, a really good garden that you can eat from. Oh, there's another one. Yeah. What the? I don't know. I don't think you're supposed to eat those things. Making our way. Haven't come upon the cavern yet. So this rock is really cool. I don't know if you can see it, but it was like shining. It almost looks like a leaf, but that's a rock. This one looks like an apple. It don't have a lot of those bumps on it like the other ones had. I don't know. Curious though, they probably have the pamphlet on it in the nature center. Another drop off over there, and you can see the mountain. Back to the bridge. Huge rock. Bet we're coming up on the cavern here. Yep, here it is. We found it. Yes! We found it. Yeah. Oh yeah. I definitely want to climb up. Oh shit. It's way up there. Y'all, we're about to climb this. You already know. Okay, right now the flip-flops are not the best choice. Yes, I know this. But you know what? We still got this. Just gotta be a little more careful, that's all. I can already feel it getting cooler though, as I get closer to it. It's always worse coming down because it's so slippery. Wow. I had to use both hands to get myself up. So, right. I'll turn you around. Check it out. Look, see? Told you. What'd I tell you about socks? Proof. Proof, y'all. Wet socks. Somebody took them off and left them here. Okay? Exactly like I said. And it's actually dripping. I just got dripped on. Yep. Right here. Explore a little more. So I'm going to turn you. would be a good place for shelter. If you had nowhere else. It's nice and cool in here. It's a lot cooler actually. And there's the view. Alright, so mission accomplished. We did it. We found the cavern. We were able to go in and explore it. Long rocky walk, climb up here. Long rocky climb down and wet, slippery. So I'm not going to be able to film my way down unless I have a death wish, which I don't, and I don't want to end up down there in the water. So I'll be right back. I just gave myself a heart attack because right when I said I didn't see any animals, check it out. I almost grabbed this guy right here just now with my hand. Almost grabbed him. And I don't think I want to because he doesn't look too friendly. He has not flinched. I literally almost grabbed him with my bare hands, trying to get down. And I know I said I wasn't going to film, but I came across him and I almost grabbed him. So I said, all right, well, okay, we're going to leave him alone. I'm so happy we found the cavern. Now we can head back. Yep. Oh my, you're right, I did not pause my app. Dang it! Wow. Okay, well, at least it shows me climbing up to the cavern. Y'all, I promise it don't take me that long to just take a hike. As long as it's telling you it does anyway. It's just I get sidetracked a lot. It's probably going to say 2 hours for this little tiny 3-mile hike, but watch the video, you'll get it. Back up where we started. So we're going to continue on the actual cement trail. So we do the cement trail. Takes us right back to the nature center. That's the trail we just took. First people I ran into here. Wild black cherry. Oh shoot, that's what it is. Yo, it's a wild black cherry. Oh my gosh. Oh, now I know what they are. Okay, sweet. This is really cool, y'all. Check this out. It's all twisted around this one. Like a snake. It's really cool. Okay, y'all, so this is the silo right here. That's why they have that closed off. Probably was a trail to the silo. Too dangerous right now. There's a bunch of trees down. But that's the one earlier that I showed y'all. Would be really cool to get to, but I'm pretty sure that's why they have it closed off over there. And they do have trail cams out here, so I'm not about to try to get charged with nothing. I think I can get a better view. Pretty sure that's the best view there is. There's a building right there too. Yeah, looks like there's houses in there. But there it is, the old silo. It's about the best view we're gonna get. This open area right here.